Doron, what's up, guys? I'm Sup Ninja, and today I wanted to do the report of the week. So this week is was the week 2, and I found some of the interesting differences between week 1 and week 2. And to begin with, so there's so many, not many, but a few changes that I needed to share with you guys. Is that in week 1 I did 6 days because I was thinking to do it like every day for like a month, you know. But I don't know, somehow I mean, yeah, I had a blank. I mean, I had a, you know, break, of not, of jerking off. I had 2 3 days not jerking off twice a day. So that was because I was arrested for sneaking into my middle school. So yeah, I'm out. So it's all good. But yeah, that's why I have that blank. Anyways, so what I was going to say. So week 2, I decided to do just 5 days because I wanted to do this experiment for 5 days each week, Monday through Friday. You know, I was thinking that I should make the routine, appropriate routine, like you know, you know, same thing every week. Otherwise, some changes will have the effect on the experiment. So that's why I decided to do it for 5 days per week. But this week, last week I started off with Tuesday. So I'm trying not to count this one. So and I wanna make it to Monday through Friday. That's why I'm gonna have today as a break, and start it from tomorrow. Anyways, so the week 1, the sum of the week 1 was 31.1 G total, and the average was 2.392 Gs, which is, pretty much 3.4 G. 2.4 Gs. And that was 6 days, you know. And then week 2 I had Sam for 27.3 Gs, and the average was 2.73, you know. So the total amount of my cum throughout the week, throughout week 1, was higher than, obviously higher than week 2. But that is because I, had one day, more than week 2. But the average amount of the cum is much more than week week 1. Interesting, right? And in week 2, I was always, jerking off at the same pattern. Like I was, you know, I always did it like wake up, jerk off, and you know, I jerk off right before I go to sleep. But week 1, that was more like chaos, not chaos, but like more inconsistency, inconsistently. um, you know, it was not it was always changing when I jerk off. Like there was no rules of, you know, of the time of jerking off. So like sometimes I did wake up, jerk off right before sleeping and stuff. But some of the times I did wake up, jerk off, and jerk off again in the evening, like like 5 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and that made big difference. Cause sure the second jerk off will be much less amount than the usual, but next day in the morning that'll be much more because I have more time for resting and producing new sperms. So you see in the graph, there's some mountains like going up and down. That's where it's coming from. But I found out because week one I wasn't sure if because if this mountains because of I you know because of the pattern of how I jerk off. But this week two, I jerk off at the same patterns, and it turned out to be the graph turned out to be kind of smooth wave. Not much difference between them. You know. So yeah, that's what I found out throughout week two. Yep. And next week I will. I mean, week three I will jerk off every day twice, once in the morning, once at night, right before I sleep. I think I'll continue doing this, but there's a big chance for me to fuck my friend's sister. So, you know, if I have the chance, I think I should take it, right? And I've been having this big chance, a lot of times, like throughout week one, week two, or even before that. But before week one, I was thinking that I shouldn't fuck her, even though she says, she wanna have sex with me, because it's not weird, but it's somehow it's not cool fucking your friend's sister. So yeah, I decided to not do that. But throughout week one, week two, she's been contacting me. She's been talking to me, and we've been meeting. And I was thinking that who cares? Boys gotta do what boys gotta do. So I'm thinking to take this chance if it's still available. So it might bring some changes to this experiment, but that way I might find something new, you know, by doing something new. So yeah. Yeah, I can't promise that I will jerk off every day twice, 5 days in a row in week three. But, you know, if it's not available, or if our time didn't match, then, you know. So that's the weekly report of my experiment. And right now, I mean, week two, the average was 2.7. And, I always see my numbers at 2.8. And, hopefully I can bring this up to like 3 point something, because I have theory that if you work out, then the testosterone, number will go up, and that will make your sperm more, produce more, because of the testosterone or the hormones and all kinds of good stuffs. You're healthy and you're more like, manly and stuff. So that's my theory, and hope this theory will, you know, become true. So that's the yeah, that's my prediction and my kind of like a goal, you know. Anyways, I should have talked about this before, but these colors of the graph, you know, those numbers, you see, they are, divided by the date. Cause I always jerk off in the morning, like 10 o'clock in the morning, but I always jerk off right before I sleep, which is like already past 12 o'clock, which is another day already. But I count it as one day because I'm not sleeping yet. And that's why I divide it like that. And those colors are dependent on my toys, my Bionicle Lego Bionicle toys colors. So just to make it, you know, easier to look at this, at these past videos that I've been uploaded before. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, I should have explained about this way long time ago, but who cares? There are only fucking 2-3 people watches my video. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I think I will start jerking off from tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys again soon tomorrow. And please subscribe my channel and like my videos. And if you have anything you want to add to this experiment, please comment. Please feel free to comment on my videos. Yeah, I just wanna I would like to know what you guys want me to experiment for. Want me to have the experiment for. All right, bye. Don't know.